Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're celebrating eggs because May is National Egg Month, and eggs and broilers, poultry in general, is our #1 agricultural commodity in the state of Kentucky. And although most of our poultry is broilers, we do have several egg layers within the state and many local farmers where you can purchase eggs from. So we know that a breakfast is better with eggs, and I'm going to show you a quick recipe today to get you started in one of our classic favorites, and that's a simple French toast. So what we've started with are 8 farm-raised eggs, and we're going to give those a nice whisk with a 1/3 cup of milk. And so whisk that in there, and that's going to make it nice and fluffy. And we want to whisk until all of it's incorporated together. Now, eggs are a great source of protein. In just 1 egg, we get 6 grams of protein, which is a lot, and breakfast is one of those meals that we don't get as much protein in. So incorporating eggs into our breakfast is a great way to really increase our protein intake for the day. And if we increase our protein intake, it's been shown that it helps us stay full and satisfied longer, and it can really help with appetite control and weight gain. So it's a good thing to incorporate into your diet and into your breakfast. Now, some people say, I might not have time to make French toast in the morning. Well, you can always boil eggs, and that's a great way that you can take it to go. You've been seeing a lot of these protein boxes that have been created that include a hard-boiled egg. And so a hard-boiled egg is a great way to get that 6 grams of protein as well as 9 essential amino acids that we need for physical development, cognitive reasons, all kinds of good benefits for eggs. Now, if you want more information about egg nutrition or recipes, you can go to the Incredible Edible Egg. That gives a lot of information, toolkits for educators to use about the different ways that eggs can help you, as well as different recipes that you can have with eggs. All right, now we have all of our eggs incorporated with our milk, and we're going to add just 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now you can add nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever you like. This is just going to give it a nice little spice in your French toast. And we're going to pour this into a shallow dish. Okay, so we're going to take 8 slices of day-old bread. And if you don't have day-old bread, what you can do is slice bread and let it sit out for about an hour. And that'll kind of get the tops crusty, and you can go from there with your bread. But what we want to do is we want to place our bread in this egg mixture, and we want to let it soak for 1 minute per side. And it's going to absorb that egg, milk, nutmeg mixture into that, and then we're going to put it in to a high skillet. We're going to reduce it down to medium, but we want to make sure that we get our skillet nice and hot so that we get that good browning on the French toast. So we're going to let these soak for 1 minute per side, and then we're going to get them all cooked up. So we have our pan lightly greased and it's nice and hot, and so we're going to reduce it down to medium heat. And then we're going to take our soaked bread and we're going to cook it in here about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And don't overcrowd, but get as many as you can in here. And you want to let it cook until it's golden brown, 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, so we have all of our French toast cooked 2 to 3 minutes per side to get the egg cooked all the way through, and then here you have it. You can pair this with some fresh fruit, some maple syrup, whipped cream, honey, whatever you like on your French toast. And this is affordable. Eggs are about 15 cents per egg, or if you get it from a local farm, maybe 25 cents per egg, but still an affordable way to get protein into your diet. So make sure to look up your Kentucky Proud Producers to find local egg growers, and if you have any questions about any recipes or how to celebrate May is Egg Month, make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.